Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel DVS Star Trek It. Today I am going to demonstrate the usage of the DML statements in the SQL server. So here we go to the SQL server management studio. So what is the DML command? DML command used to manipulate the data present in the table within the database. There are the three DML commands present in the DML category: insert, update, delete. Insert command is used to insert the row in the table, and update is used to update the row in the table, and delete used to delete the row from the table. So here is the syntax of the insert statement. Insert in the table name. Here is the table name for which in which you want to insert the row, and the column name for which you want to insert the value, and values contain the data you have to insert. So here is the example: insert into currency the table name, and id, first name, last name, email, currency, and gender is the column name, and here is the values. So I'm executing the insert into statement. Okay, now we are moving to the update statements. So here the update table name, set column name, where condition. So update update used to update the table name in which you want to update the data, and set keyword is used to set the value of the column, and condition, whatever condition can be, uh, name of the person is to be changes where the some IDs 121, for example. So for example of the update currency, set gender equal to female, where first name is Jeremy. It means we have to change the gender of the Jeremy, uh, from male to female. So I'm executing to update the data. So data is updated. Now we will check the data of the where the gender of the Jeremy changed or not. Yes, here you can see the gender of the Jeremy has been changed. Now we are moving to the delete command. Delete is used to delete the row from the table. Uh, so here the syntax of the delete. Delete from table name where condition. I will delete a keyword, delete the keyword to delete that row, and from the table name from which you have to remove the name of the person, and depending on the some condition. So here the example: delete from currency where ID is equal to 995. It will delete the record of the ID 995. So I am executing this statement. Deleted. Now we will check the data is deleted or not. From the below, from the video you can see the we have removed the ID 995. Now 994 ID 994 is the present. So data is deleted. And thank you for watching this tutorial, and please like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Thank you so much.